I was burnout, replaceable, and completely empty inside. After 18 years in IT, climbing the ladders, earning the titles, leading teams, I hit a point where I could solve complex system, but I couldn't solve my own confusion. I remember starting at my laptop at 2 a.m. Deadlines everything, everywhere, mind numbs and soul silent. That night I whispered to myself, if I continue like this, I will succeed at everything except living. That was my breaking point and also my awakening. Hi, I am Sunil Mishra, Digital Dharma Architect, Digital Dharma Academy. I help professionals like you bridge technology and purpose to transform burnout into brilliance, confusion into clarity. This is my story and my 90-day IT career research system, the one that changed everything. Most professionals think burnout happen because of workload. But the truth, burnout happen when your work lose meaning. You don't need another skill upgrade, you need an inner system upgrade. Your career is not collapsing, it is calling for alignment. AI did not replace us. It's revealed what was already disconnected inside us. The next 90 days are not about escaping your job, but rediscovering your dharma, your unique way of creating value. The digital dharma principle is simple. Outer success means nothing without inner awareness. Your career operates like an operating system, and right now, most professionals are running outdated software. This reset is not a crash course, it is a conscious reinstallation. Over the next 90 days, we will upgrade three layers of your inner OS. First, day 1 to day 30, mindfulness, reconnect your awareness. Day 31 to day 60, skill repositioning, realign your direction. And day 61 to 90 day, purpose design, redefine your dharma. The first 30 days are about one thing, stillness. You can't change your career if your mind is noisy. Every morning I practice 10 minutes of breath awareness, not to calm down but to wake up. I started journaling every evening. Where did I operate from awareness and where from autopilot? Within 3 weeks, I noticed a shift. My thought became clearer, my anxiety began to dissolve, and this was not meditation, it was mental decluttering. This is foundation of mindfulness. Day 31 to 60, skill repositioning strategy. Once my mind was clear, I could see my skills differently. I stopped asking what is trending and started asking what is meaningful. I audited all my IT skills like cloud, DevOps, AI, system design, and mapped them against what excited my soul. I realized my gift was not just coding, it was communicating clarity. So I repositioned myself as a tech mentor and transformation coach. That single decision changed my entire career architect. This is what I teach now, how to monetize meaning through your skill. Day 61 to 90 days, purpose driven career design. The final 30 days were about building a sustainable purpose system. I created what I now call Digital Dharma 2.0 model. DIGITAL Dharma: discover, invest, generate, integrate, transmute, align, lead. I design a rhythm that blended tech mastery, conscious routines, community contribution, and that's when I found balance, not between work and life, but between efficiency and essence. If you are watching this and you feel stuck, remember, burnout is not a failure, it is the sole way of saying it's time to realign. Your career is not just a meaning to earn, it is your medium to evolve. Take one mindful breath now. Inhale clarity, exhale comparison. Clarity for mind, peace for heart, freedom for soul. If this message resonates, download the free 90-day career reset workbook in the description. It is the exact template I use to rebuild my direction, identity, and inner peace. That's comment below. I am ready for my reset because awareness begins with a decision, and you just made your Part 4 of this series will guide you through design your freedom system, turning clarity into conscious income. Subscribe and join our growing digital warrior tribes. Remember, I don't just teach skill, I activate awareness.